Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to turn off one-click ordering on Amazon to avoid accidental purchases. One-click ordering lets you quickly buy items without re-entering your payment or shipping details. But if you want to avoid accidental purchases, it's a good idea to turn this feature off. To disable it on a web browser, go to Amazon.com and log into your account. Click Account and Lists at the top, then select Account. Scroll down to Ordering and Shopping Preferences and open One-Click Settings. Here, you can either turn off One-Click Enabled for your browser or choose Disable One-Click Everywhere to disable it on all your devices. To disable it in the mobile app, open the Amazon app and tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines at the bottom. Go to Account, scroll to Account Settings, and select One-Click Settings. Toggle it off for your device or tap Disable One-Click Everywhere to turn it off completely. Once done, you'll see a confirmation message showing that one-click ordering has been successfully disabled. And that's it! You've now fully turned off one-click purchasing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.